Hi guys, it's Tracy, and today I am back with another unboxing, and this is the Boxy Luxe for March 2020. It's a big box, and let's see what we got here. Now this is the box that comes every third month, so once per quarter, and it's $50 instead of $25 if you get the base box. So you get the base box, it's $25, but then on Luxe months they charge you $50, and this is the only box you get, is the big box. You don't get the base box plus this, you just get the big box. And it's supposed to be over $300 of value. So they mix it, and they've lately been letting us do choice items where we can pick like an item that we want, like a this or that, or out of these 4 items, which one do you want? And last month, I don't know what happened, but it would not let me choose. And I emailed them right then. I'm like, it's not letting me pick, like what's up? They never answered me. Then I got an email on Monday saying that my choice went through, that I picked the Murad eye cream and some earrings. And I'm like, no, I did not pick that. So I emailed them again. Still no answer. Emailed them a third time. Still no answer. I emailed them yesterday a 4th time, and they still have not answered my emails. And I'm like, what's going on here? And I've heard other people say the same thing, that they didn't get to pick. And I'm like, well, what's going on? And like, why are you not answering 4 emails at this point? So I'm a little bit ticked. I'm a little annoyed at this box because there's also a repeat item that I've already received. So they're not supposed to send us repeat items. They have included some things in here that, I'm sorry, are not Luxe products. And the price, it's just like, why? Like, why are these in here? So this month was kind of just like, it was on the downhill decline when I was unable to make the choice I wanted, which I wanted the Tarte palette, which I did not get. So, and then like I said, me emailing them and them not answering, it was just like, wow, okay, this is okay. Like, I hear people say they email Boxycharm and they never hear back. Well, now I'm one of them. 4 emails now, they have not answered me. So I don't know what's going on over there at Boxycharm, but usually I'm quite satisfied. So let's see if what we got in here is gonna equal my $50 worth of money. So the first product here is the Murad Hydrodynamic Ultimate Moisture for Eyes. It's an eye cream, a very expensive eye cream. They say this is $70. 70 bucks. Like, wow, that is a lot of money. It says that it is deeply quench the delicate eye area and then nourish with the nourishing cream, a blend of hyaluronic acid and algae extract, seal in moisture, helping to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles and restore smoothness. Gentle, even enough for sensitive skin. $70. So that, I got that instead of the eyeshadow palette I wanted. So I mean, like, whatever, I'll use it, you know. And then I got these 2 little micro sizes of the Solji Genero Bum Bum Cream. I've already received both of these in previous boxes. These are in no way, shape, or form a full-size product. Just, I mean, look at how small this is. The total value together is $15. So I don't know how this is a full size, as they promise, full size. So these are both like miniatures of even this. They have a small size that's like 3 of these maybe, and then the big one. But these are like not even probably half of what a full size one is. I should have looked it up. So that's what I was like, you said we wouldn't get repeats. So got a repeat, and that's not a full-size item. Then next up here, Invisibobble. Are you kidding me? This is Luxe. Like, I could not believe when I saw this in the box. I was like, you have got to be kidding me. Invisibobbles. I picked these up at my discount store down the street for $1.99. They say these are $8. Okay, but I don't expect to see this in a Luxe box. I'm sorry. $8? No. This is not Luxe. And what if you don't have hair? What if you have short hair? Then you're just like, oh, well, we gave you those, but you do what you want with them. Like, they don't put any thought into some of this stuff. I mean, I would just rather have the box be like a little bit lower value than to like try to add these little filler type items in, like the 2 Bum Bum creams and the Invisibobble. That's not Luxe. You know, we sign up for Luxe, skincare, makeup, maybe some lifestyle, which brings me to the other product that they said I chose, a pair of earrings. Now you guys know, you know good and well, I would not pick a pair of earrings. They say that these are $38. Now you guys know my love for earrings, my love for finding them on AliExpress for like $1. So of course I would not pick a pair of earrings. They're pretty. They're not worth $38. I mean, they're not silver. They're just, doesn't even say. It just says that they, what does it say? Zoxy made in China. See? AliExpress stuff here. So $38 they're saying for that. Then the next thing we got here is the Becca Skin Love Glow Glaze Stick. And I don't see a shade on it. What does it say here? I don't think it comes in a shade. Where's the magnifying glass? Just says glow glaze stick, so we must only just get one choice in this, which is not good for all skin tones. So we have another cream kind of highlight. I can't even really see it on my hand. And it shows up a little bit on my hand, but not much. So I got this cream highlight, and I also got the matchstick cream highlight. So I don't know. This says that it is $28. So it says 28, yeah. And then this is the one thing that kind of saved the box, is this PMD, what is it called? PMD Beauty Smart Facial Cleansing Device. It says is a smart facial cleansing device with over 7,000 vibrations per minute. Our sonic glow technology not only ensures a deep cleanse, but provides a way to lift, firm, and tone problem areas for a more youthful appearance. And this says it's $99. So that's the lifesaver of the box for me. And then next up here we have this Boxycharm Hello Charmer eyeshadow palette. And it's really pretty. So I'm not mad about this. I'm glad that I got it. I don't know if everyone got this, or I heard some people were gonna get Hank and Henry box or eyeshadow living color or something. Maybe I'm wrong, I don't know. But this is really pretty. I haven't played with it yet. And then the last item was this Nars Power Matte Lip Pigment. And this is in the shade Give It Up. And I don't know, I think it's like a, yeah, it's like a dark kind of berry shade. Might be able to wear it. I'll have to see what it looks like when it dries down and what it does. But it feels nice. So this was, let's see, $25. Potency and Precision, the ultimate power couple. A powerful concentrate of our most powerful mattes yet. fluid pigment complex, liquefied pigment with a zero gravity feel, and introduce infinite matte color saturation with ultra flexible, long lasting wear. And this is $25. Yeah. Oh, and did I tell you they said the Hello Charmer palette was $39. So my box total was $316 and I paid $50. So even though even though I don't know what they're trying to pull with us with these, you know, they tout full-size products, full-size products. These aren't full-size. Hello? Like, no, not a full-size. And then Invisibobble, not Luxe. I don't know. I don't understand how that goes with the makeup and skincare box. And then if you have short hair, like, give it to your friends. Sorry. I mean, an $8 item in a Luxe box that we're paying $50 for, I don't want to see an $8 item in my box. And then the Becca Glow Stick, I'll give it a shot and see how it works, because a lot of times I don't wear foundation, so it may work good for me. So we will have to see. The Nars, I'll have to see what this shade looks like on my lips. The Murad eye cream, I would rather have the Tarte eyeshadow palette. So I'll use this at some point when I run out of my other eye creams. And then the PMD facial cleansing tool, I'm really happy to get this, and I got pink. So this right here was $99 if I was gonna go out and buy this. So if I got it for $50 and then got all the rest of the stuff for free, I still got this for half price. So there is, you know, there's a good and a bad to the box, if, you know, depending on what you're looking at. And then these earrings that say they're $38, I don't believe these are $38. They're not stainless steel. They're just like a costume kind of jewelry. They're pretty. I mean, I'll wear them. So not something that I picked though. So they sent me an email telling me, hey, your choice got picked, and I didn't pick. So I don't like that part of it. And like I said, I heard other people say that happened to them as well. So we'll wait and see if Boxycharm answers my 4th email. I'll send them a 5th one on Monday and see what's going on. I wish I would have been taking screenshots, because once you go through the Boxycharm website, it doesn't show up in your sent folders. It just shows, it's just not there because it went through the Boxycharm website. So I'm gonna take screenshots from now on anytime I email them, so that I can have the proof to back up what I'm saying. So that, my friends, is the Boxy Luxe for the month. $316 of product for $50, even though, like, I didn't get to make my choice and whatnot. I think it was still a good box. It's still worth, you know, the money that I paid for it. So it definitely has value. I was just annoyed because I didn't get to make my personal choices. And then they told me I made my choices, and I'm like, I didn't pick that. No, I didn't pick that. And like I said, I emailed them like right when it wouldn't let me get in there to pick, and never heard from them. So I still think it's a decent box. I can't wait to play with the facial tool and the eyeshadow palette. I'm happy that I got that one. So overall, I think it's a good box, even if, you know, you get stuff you can't use or you don't like. I think the value is still there, and I can always pass things on to someone else. So that is my opinion so far on the box. But if you're new to my channel and you don't know, next month, I will come back and I'll review all of the products that were in the box, let you know what I thought of them, and then let you know if I thought the box was actually worth it once I've tried the products. So I do that with the boxes every month. So if you're a new person watching, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and you old returning watchers too, welcome back. Thanks for watching. And make sure you click the notification bell to be notified of new videos. And if you're wondering what's on my eyes today, I forgot to tell you guys the last video I made too. It's the Smokey Glow and Midas eyeshadow palette. So I got that a few days ago. I've been playing with it. And then on my lips, I have the Fenty Beauty Mademoiselle in Single. So that's what's going on my face. If you guys like this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. It really does help for the video to get pushed out and seen. You might just think, oh, it's just a thumbs up, who cares? But it really, really does help for YouTube to see that people are thumbsing up videos. So any video creator you want, even if you don't like it, give it a thumbs down. It's still engagement. Leave me a comment. Let me know if you got the same stuff in your box, what you got. Did you get this weird, here's what you chose, but you didn't really choose? Did that happen to you? Because I heard a few people already say, yeah, that happened to me too. And I'm like, what's going on here? So Mister's here. He's just kind of out of frame. What? There you go. Everybody wants to see you. So that's going to do it for this month's unboxing of the Boxy Luxe. Make sure that you subscribe so next month you will see my final thoughts and reviews on all of the products inside the box. So I hope you guys are all having a beautiful day or night wherever you are, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye guys.